guys, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, we have some really cheap food, cheap chips, cheap mashed potatoes, and cheap deodorant by Secret at Walgreens. Oh my gosh, I wasn't gonna do any major shopping today, but these are 13 cents each. You can't pass that up. We have some Walmart cheapies, and then I went and did a different deal today over at Rite Aid, and then just another Rite Aid cheapie there, and then some coupon mail we'll talk about at the very end, and weather report for you guys and a little check-in. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a tremendous day. It's snowing here, and if you look over there, there's some birds, and I think they're really trying to feed right now because there's going to be a big snowstorm or some sort of rainstorm or something, but a couple accumulations, and yeah, those are my socks right there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, first store that we have is Walgreens, and we're gonna talk about the first deal that isn't a clearance find, a deal that anyone can do. So at Walgreens, they have a dollar spot, and where you usually find this is, I find them most around here is at towards the pharmacy, and everything there is exactly $1. And this is the Hungry Jack instant potatoes that are $1. Now, Ibotta has a 75-cent rebate on any Hungry Jack. I think it has to be 5 ounces or larger, and these bags are 5 ounces on the nose. They're $1 a piece, so for 5 of them, that's $5. And with that 75-cent Ibotta rebate times 5, it's $3.75 back. So you're paying $1.25 for the 5 or 25 cents per bag of mashed potatoes. And if you ever just need a really quick side, you throw in some hot water and butter, and it's a really good find. So anywhere that sells these potatoes, you know, for $1 or less, Walmart even, I would be on the lookout for this, but I did find them over at Walgreens. Okay guys, so this is a really great find. I found these potato chips, and they are 2.5 ounces, so they're half a can. I think a can is like closer to 5 or 6 ounces of these Pringles, and they are 13 cents each. So for whatever reason, these were not doing well here in this market, so they put them all 90% off. The expiry date is at the bottom. Of course, you want to check to make sure that you're not buying chips that are about to expire, especially if you're gonna buy a whole bunch of them. And just to show you, this is where I found my expiry date. They're good till January of 2022. So it's in these 2 different flavors of the barbecue and the cheddar one. If you've been doing Walmart Ibotta rebates, you know precisely what we're talking about here. So 13 cents a piece. I think I got 24 altogether. So it was $3.12. I used $3 of Walgreens cash, and I paid 12 cents out of pocket. Ibotta has a rebate for these chips, but it has to be the large, like the full-size ones. It can't be these little babies. So how fantastic is this? And I bought a bunch, so I'm really happy with that. Okay, so the next deal that we have is with the Secret aluminum-free deodorant. They are 2 for $11. There is a BOGO free coupon in the April P&G, which will subtract $5.50 right off of that. You get back a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of these, making it $1.50 for 2, or 75 cents for aluminum-free deodorant. Like, hello, if you know anything about aluminum-free, you know that's a really good deal. And there is an Ibotta rebate, but it's not for this aluminum-free one. So, and that's what the coupon's for. So it kind of, you can't do that one with this, but still a fantastic deal if you want aluminum-free deodorant. Okay, so I wanted to test this out, but I wasn't able to do it because my store does not carry AccuView contact lens solution. But there's a 10-ounce bottle for $9.99. We have a manufacturer plus an IVC that would make it completely for free. I wanted to see the price point in store, and then also like just try it with the coupon, but I couldn't do it. So if you guys need contact lens solution and want to give this a whirl, it would be $9.99 for one of those contact lens solutions. Always double, triple check the price in your region if it might be more or less. So subtracting that $5 coupon from the savings insert of March the 7th, and then the IVC will get reduced down to $4.99. So you'll just pay the tax for this one, but nonetheless a freebie. Okay, so now we're over at Walmart and we're just going to talk about a couple quick deals. I had some sort of like midweek thing with Ibotta that I had to finish a couple quick and fast rebates. I didn't go crazy with this. So the first little deal that we're going to talk about is with the Colgate. This guy is $6.97. There's a $1 coupon in the Smart Source of March the 28th. You'll pay $5.97 out of pocket, get $5 back from Ibotta, 300 points back from Shopkick, making this free plus a 23-cent money maker. And whenever we're doing any sort of deal, guys, with Ibotta rebates, double, triple check your account that you have the same rebates or they're still activated, because sometimes they can float in and float out and you don't want to buy something without that rebate. Maxwell House Coffee, well, this was the absolute find. They have a clearance section for food, so always walk by that in case you can pair something, with an Ibotta rebate or something like that. This Big Mama is $3. The original price point is $6.28. There's a $1.25 Ibotta rebate, plus I got a $1 bonus for getting these last 3 rebates. So it made it 75 cents after everything was said and done. If you do not have that bonus, it'll be $1.75 for this, but that is a large amount of coffee. Pepsi, these little mini cans, is $2.74, $2 Ibotta rebate, so it made it 74 cents after everything was said and done. And the Suave's men's shampoo, this guy is $1.83. We have a $1.50 coupon in the savings insert of March the 28th. You'll pay 33 cents. Fetch Rewards has 1,000 points back that you could do up to 5 times. So it makes it free plus a 67-cent money maker. So I was really happy about that. Let's talk really quickly about coupon mail. These come from California. My very good friend Sandra sent them to me. I believe they got here on Monday or Tuesday, so I'm very delighted with that. The first one that we have, and these are from the March 28th weekend. So the first one is a savings one. And I'm just going to show you the coupons really quickly. If you want to get in touch with her or order anything, all of her information is in the notes, along with her YouTube channel too, if you want to see other previews. Now we have a Smart Source. And another Smart Source. And the April P&G, which is my absolute and total favorite. It's a lot of Tide coupons here. Oh, my husband's in the insert. Oh, those are flossers. That's kind of an interesting coupon. And this is the one that I used today over at Walgreens. And the final page, we have a bunch of baby stuff. Guys, and this is what she has, what I just showed you. If you wanted 5 of each, it would be $23 with priority shipping. Jumping up to 10 of each, 40 books, it would be $32 with priority shipping, and so on and so forth. Her email and all of her information is in the notes, including her Instagram. So if you want to get in touch with her, if you're just not sure what you're doing, send her a quick message. And if you want to see a preview of future coupons she might have up for grabs, check out her YouTube page, also linked in the notes. This final store that we have is Rite Aid, and I'm just going to run through this really quickly. The battery in my camera is dying. So I got $40 of Nature's Truth, and oh, just to talk about yesterday's video of messing up a coupon deal, so happy that many of you could just relate with that video. I just wanted to be very forthcoming and honest that not everything is perfect always, and sometimes we make mistakes. It's just what happens, and I haven't had a mistake like this in a really long time, but when they happen, they're painful, but I'm okay with that now. Such is life. So what I did today, guys, was I got $40 of Nature's Truth vitamins, and then I got 6 of these iced teas. They are 3 for $5, so $10 a tea, the rest are in the fridge, and then 40 buckos of vitamins. The apple cider vinegar is $15.99 on a buy one get one free. Garlic is $9.99, buy one get one free, and the hemp seed oil was $14.99 on a buy one get one free. So the total for all of this was $50.97. I used 3 $2 coupons for the Nature's Truth. I didn't have any for the iced tea. I had to pay $44.97 out of pocket. And then I got back $39 in bonus cash, $15 for the $50 basket, $20 for this, and then $4 for the iced tea. And then I also got back $2 from Ibotta for this. So it made it $3.97 for 6 iced teas and 6 things of the Nature's Truth. And then the final deal, shout out to Ravi for this one. It's a really great deal, and I just bought this one on their own. These guys are $1 a piece. Buying 4 of them, that's $4, and then you'll get back 50 cents for each from in bonus cash. So it makes it basically 50 cents after everything is said and done. And this is a multi-surface cleaner. In the last year, we really don't get deals on this, so I just grabbed this deal on its own, and I'm very delighted with it. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!